In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Shopify store from scratch. Start by signing into your Shopify account. If you're creating a new store, follow the setup wizard and answer the onboarding questions. For your store name, you can enter Learn Mode Lab Store. Select the options that best match your business, then continue to your Shopify admin. Next, go to Settings, then General, and review your store details, including your store name, business information, and default currency. After that, click Products, then add product to create your first product. For example, enter the title Premium Stainless Steel Water Bottle. Add the description Keep your drinks hot or cold for hours with this durable stainless steel water bottle. Set the price to $29.99, upload a product image, and click Save. Now click Settings, then Payments, and activate your preferred payment provider. If Shopify Payments is available in your country, complete the setup. Otherwise, connect another supported payment gateway. Next, go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery, and configure your shipping rates and delivery zones. After that, visit Online Store, then Themes, choose a theme, and click Customize to edit your homepage, colors, logo, and navigation menu. Finally, connect your custom domain if you have one, remove your storefront password when you're ready to launch, and place a test order to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Shopify store from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.